At 4Js, we are committed to continuously evolving the Genero platform because BDL developers deserve tools that are as powerful as the applications they build. Our June product announcement delivers 4 major capabilities across AI, design tooling, and infrastructure. Let's walk through what's new. Meet Genero Intelligence, a continuously expanding AI service built exclusively for BDL developers. It seamlessly powers Genero Studio, Claude Code, Cursor, VS Code, and other AI-enabled development environments via Model Context Protocol, so you can build with BDL at the speed of a senior team. Behind it, 30-plus curated development skills, giving your AI agent authoritative blueprints to generate robust BDL code instantly, and 5,182 pages of fully indexed Genero BDL documentation, searchable in milliseconds, without ever leaving your IDE. And starting today, Genero Intelligence is also available natively inside Genero Studio Preview. You get 2 ways to work with AI: an integrated terminal view for teams who already use a terminal-based AI assistant, and a built-in AI assistant chat, pre-configured and powered by Genero Intelligence, giving you Genero-specific knowledge from day 1. You can do so many things now with your AI-powered Genero assistant. Generate BDL code from a description. Create unit tests in 1 prompt. Fix bugs faster with AI diagnostics. Auto-document your code base. Understand any piece of code instantly. Get answers to your Genero questions. And Git integration right inside the IDE. And with AI specs-driven development, you can go even further. Write a feature specification, and Genero Studio's specs-driven development agent resolves ambiguities, validates completeness, and orchestrates the full development cycle, from code generation to testing, in a streamlined, repeatable pipeline. From spec to working code every time. For your UI teams, meet Genero Theme Customizer. Design, manage, and deploy application themes visually. Start from ready-made light and dark templates. Preview changes instantly. No advanced front-end skills needed. And under the hood, full SQL Server 2025 support, including JSON and vector types, built for what's next. Discover what AI-powered Genero development feels like with our June product announcement. Don't just watch the future of BDL development, be part of it.